Before buying food storage containers, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but real buyers are definitely talking about it. And it's not what you think. Most people don't realize that the wrong container can actually make your food spoil faster, even if it looks airtight. Today, we're fixing that. Product number 1, Fresh Mage 5-pack with colander. The Fresh Mage 5-pack caught my eye because it includes removable colanders, something most containers don't offer. At $21.99, it's mid-range priced and comes with 5 sizes, from 300 milliliters up to a massive 4,200 milliliters. If you want to actually extend the life of your fruits and veggies, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in colander lets you rinse produce without taking it out, which means less moisture trapped inside, and that's the #1 cause of spoilage. The sealed lid locks in freshness, while the drainage system filters out excess water, so berries stay firm and lettuce doesn't turn slimy. I also like that they're stackable and made of BPA-free polypropylene, safe from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 284 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can go straight from freezer to microwave. Now, some people complained about the lids not being dishwasher safe, and that's true, you have to hand wash them. Here's the thing though, it's a small trade-off for the freshness boost, and honestly, it only takes a few seconds. This is perfect for you if you buy fresh produce in bulk and hate wasting food. Skip this one if you're only storing dry snacks or don't mind frequent grocery trips. For the price, it's a solid value. Product number 2, Delacy 50-pack meal prep containers. Now, if Fresh Mage's focus on produce didn't fit your routine, the Delacy 50-pack is built for meal preppers. At $25.99 for 100 pieces, it's a steal. These 24-ounce black containers are sturdy, leak-proof, and designed for daily use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. They're made of thick, BPA-free plastic that won't crack under pressure, and the snap-lock lids create a tight seal, so no more soup explosions in your lunch bag. They're safe from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can freeze meals, microwave them, and toss them in the dishwasher, top rack only. I also love that they're stackable, saving precious cabinet space. Now, some people said the lids can warp after repeated microwaving. Here's the thing though, it happens slowly over time, and since you get 100 pieces, replacing a few isn't a big deal. This is perfect for you if you prep weekly lunches or need durable, no-fuss containers. Skip this one if you want glass or need oven-safe options. For under $26, it's one of the best bulk deals out there. Product number 3, V-Top Mart 8-pack glass containers. Alright, that was a solid plastic option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you care about taste and longevity. The V-Top Mart 8-pack glass containers cost $21.99 and include 4 rectangle and 4 square sizes, all with airtight lids. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Glass doesn't absorb odors or stains, so yesterday's curry won't flavor today's salad. Plus, they're oven safe up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can bake, store, and reheat in the same container. The silicone seals and 4 hinge locks ensure 0 leaks, and they're freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe. Now, some people complained they're heavier and more fragile than plastic. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and not throwing them in a backpack, they last for years. This is perfect for you if you want clean-tasting food and hate plastic smells. Skip this one if you're clumsy or need ultra-lightweight containers. For the quality, it's a great long-term investment. Product number 4, Depot 60-pack deli containers. Now, if V-Top Mart's glass set felt too fragile, the Depot 60-pack offers serious versatility. At $23.99, you get 120 pieces, 20 each of 32, 16, and 8-ounce sizes, all clear, BPA-free, and leak-proof. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The variety lets you portion soups, snacks, or sauces without guessing. The tight-sealed lids prevent spills, and they're safe from -4 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can freeze broths or microwave leftovers. I also like that they're crystal clear, so you always know what's inside. Now, some people said the lids can be hard to snap on tightly at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, they seal perfectly, and the price per container makes it worth the slight learning curve. This is perfect for you if you run a small food business or love organizing pantry items. Skip this one if you only need large containers. For under $24, it's unbeatable for variety.
Product number 5, 50-pack 32-ounce meal prep containers. Finally, if you need large capacity containers for big meals or family portions, this 50-pack at $23.99 delivers. Each 32-ounce container has an easy open lid and is made of sturdy, BPA-free plastic. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The generous size fits full meals like casseroles or large salads, and the leak-proof design means no mess in your bag. They're safe for microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, and the stackable design saves space. Now, some people said the lids don't always seal perfectly on the first try. Here's the thing though, a quick check before sealing fixes it, and with 100 pieces, you've got backups. This is perfect for you if you cook in bulk or need reliable takeout style containers. Skip this one if you prefer smaller portions. For the price, it's a no-brainer for heavy users.
So which one's right for you? Fresh Mage if you want fresher produce, Dealacy for affordable meal prep, VTop Mart if you want clean, odor-free glass, Dipu for variety and portion control, and the 50-pack 32-ounce if you need big, reliable containers. Each solves a different problem, so pick based on your real needs, not just price.